Hello students, I am back again with you to continue your lesson of Unit 2 Money and Banking. Children, today we will study the Central Bank or Reserve Bank of India. Since every country has its own central bank, the Central Bank of India is known as Reserve Bank of India, but other countries' banks may have different names such as Federal Bank, Bank of England and so on. So let us know something about Reserve Bank of India or the central bank. Any central bank is the head or the apex institution of banking system of that economy, and it works as a monitoring agency or as a guardian of all the banks. And also it does not work for making profit just like the commercial banks do, but it works for the welfare and development of the economy. So let us know the next thing, that is the functions of central bank or reserve bank. Children, I have written the function in points. I will be discussing one by one. Please pay attention, and each function can be asked as an individual question in the exam. So please study it separately, individually along with this. First function of central bank is currency issuing authority or issuing currency notes. As a currency issuing authority, it has monopoly or sole right of issuing currency of the economy. In India, RBI issues all the currency notes except, means excluding, leaving 1 rupee note and coins which are issued by Government of India. Now for issuing these notes, it follows minimum reserve system, and under this system the RBI has to keep rupees 200 worth gold reserves and reserves of foreign exchange with itself, and on that basis it can issue unlimited amount of currency. So this is the first function. Now next function is banker to government. As a banker to government, RBI manages all the accounts of government, and it also looks after the transactions, payments and receipts of government. Along with that, it issues and buys and sells government securities on its behalf. Similarly, it also helps in making monetary policy to the government. Then it also arranges loans in case of need for government. Now let us move to the next function. It is banker to banks. Under this function, the RBI works as the head and it grants them license for functioning. It monitors them. Besides this, it helps them in getting loan in need, which is known as lender of last resort function. It also helps in clearing their transactions, which is known as clearing house function. These will be discussed in separate points. Now let us move to the next point, that is lender of last resort. This function comes under banker to banks function, but it is a separate point in our syllabus. So lender of last resort means whenever any commercial bank has a crunch of cash or liquidity, or it has financial crisis and it needs loans and it fails to get from any other source, then finally RBI grants them this loan by keeping the reserves of that bank as security. This is the function of lender of last resort. The next function is clearing house function. Under this function, RBI helps in smooth functioning of all the banks. So banks have transactions against each other. Some banks have to pay and some banks have to receive from each other, but these daily transactions are not made in cash every day. Instead, they maintain an account, and in the end of the financial year, this clearing will be done through the through the RBI for these banks, so that banks do not have to physically send the amount of giving and receiving to each other, which will be a very complicated task. So clearing house function means banks will clear their debits and credits against each other, taking RBI as a mediator, and RBI will help them. The next function is custodian of foreign exchange reserves. Foreign exchange reserves means reserves of foreign currencies such as dollar, pound and many more. So these reserves are a kind of asset for an economy. These are kept under the custody. Custody means under watch of Reserve Bank of India, and this reserve will be used for foreign trade encouragement as well as many other activities related to foreign trade. The next and final function of RBI written here is credit control. The meaning of credit is giving loan. Here it means giving loan, just as we give loan to our friends, that is we give credit. So how much credit or how much loans will be issued by the commercial banks, that is being controlled in an economy by the central bank or RBI, and this function will have a separate topic for detailed study. We will study this topic in complete full-fledged detail in the next video. So for just now, this is the explanation of the topic, and I hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.